Oh my goodness, look at that view, would ya? Hey, hi, I'm Angel. I'm driving up to Colorado. I don't know if you can see those snow-covered peaks in the distance, but sure is making me glad that I brought my snowboard with me just in case I get a chance to play, although I'm actually coming up to work, which is a good thing because I need some money, and also I love feeling like I have purpose, love feeling like I get stuff done, love feeling productive. So I really love it when I have good work to go do, when I'm needed and can go fill a need and feel like I'm being helpful. So anyway, that's what I'm on my way to do, so I'm super grateful for that. And along the way, I just couldn't not share that view with you because look at that. We're up in northern New Mexico, approaching the long stretch toward Raton Pass. I don't know if I just said that already. Oh, and I know what. I wanted to share with you my success story with my little Prius here. It's still got a check engine light on. You can't see that. But it hasn't thrown any other. That's just left over because I didn't get reset. And basically, it was throwing brake lights, warning lights, and hybrid system cooling lights at me because my inverter coolant pump had either gone out or was starting to go out. So I managed to find enough demonstrations on YouTube to feel comfortable with doing it myself. Bought one on Amazon, did it myself, and lo and behold, I am several hundred miles from home now and hasn't thrown any more warning lights at me, and I'm pushing it, kind of flogging it a little up the hills. It's a pretty warm day, so I think if it was going to continue doing what it was doing before the repairs, that it would have done it already. So that makes me feel real good, like I did some good with my repairs. I'll probably put a link down below to that Amazon part. In case you're interested, you can help me out. By the way, affiliate links like that don't cost you anymore. They just give me a little cut. And if it's not me, it goes to somebody else. So you might as well follow my link if you're going to shop on Amazon. It's a little plug for my affiliate link program. And anyhow, I hope you're enjoying the view. I hope you're getting some fun too. I hope whatever you're doing, you remember to keep it playful because, man, life is too short to be miserable, not to find a way to play within the context of whatever your day holds for you. That's my 2 cents for right now. I hope you're enjoying this view. I sure am. Till next time. Ciao.